Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad SYAMIR 09 DKM18F1053. Today I would like to present about smart foldable car seat. Before we start, uh, I am the first presenter for this. First, we go for abstract. Smart foldable car seat is designed to save space and manage seating easier. Second, SFC is a prototype that we highlight for pull and push design. It's easy, right? Third, the seat is also an innovative design and easy to assemble and disassemble. Next, we go for problem statement. Today, most of the child car seat in the market take a lot of time to set up, but our product can save you time. Second, old car seat cannot transform to baby car seat, but our product can transform. Third, when the child is grown, the car seat cannot use anymore, and you need to put it in your store. Lastly, most child car seats consume a lot of space to store in the trunk, but our design is minimalized. Next, we go for objective. The objective is to make the child car seat assembly easier and save your time. Next, we also made it for save your car space because this is future. We go for the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Nurul THARWATI binti Muhammad Hussein. My matrix number is 09 DKMF1025. Now I want to explain about scope. Our first scope is can transform from car seat to child car seat. It can simplify the daily affairs of parents. After that, our project is a prototype design. Furthermore, our prototype focus more to 1 to 4 years old child. After that, next is literature review. In the process of designing this car seat, several theories and concepts can be attributed to the age of the child who will use the chair. Car seats should be used for children aged 1 to 4 years old or for children to sit comfortably. After that, the seat should also be secured with a safety belt and a short distance from the dashboard. Quoted by Robert Kahn, Children's Safety, 2015. One of the important concepts that a chair needs to have is that the airbag must be designed if the baby car seat is placed in the front or the baby car seat facing back to provide the best protection. Quoted by Stan Berenstein, Baby Car Seat, 1999. After that, among the mechanical components used in the car seat is the use of harness and clip locks. Besides that, this is product in market. This car seat that we managed together from research. We also combine this product into one product. And that's how Smart Foldable Car Seat is born.
Okay, hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAIKAL Sharin. Registration number 09DKM18F1070, and I'll be the third presenter today. So I'm going to talk about methodology. So the first thing our group did is to identify problems which were necessary for our project. So we found out that most child car seats are hassle and take a long time to assemble. Next is design. After a lot of trial and error, we finally found a suitable design for our child car seat. Next step is for material search. So we had to search for the right components and parts to be used in our project. After we found all the suitable parts, comes installation. So for installation, we did some welding and fabrication for our final project. After all of that is settled and we have our final product, our prototype product, we move on to product testing. For product testing, we had children from age 1 to 4 years old test our product whether they could fit comfortably or not. After that, I'm going to talk about our material search. We used a single car seat as a prototype in our project. Based on our project design, we used extra rods and hollow iron to mount on the backrest, and we used extra sponges and foam to provide extra comfort when leaning, even when the child safety seats have been secured. Lastly, we sewed on child safety belts for more safety while in the car, and for it to be approved by safety regulations. The next is fabrication. The installation process begins by separating the seat and the backrest, as well as removing the outer layer fabric. After that, we open the sponge or foam that connects the steel frame to the seat of the car, so that the steel frame will not be interfered by the sponge when we weld the parts together. Next, we welded hollow iron to the frame of the rear car seat. Extra sponge is then attached to the hollow iron, and we also enforce some extra foam for the backrest of the seat. Next, the sponge is reassembled on the iron frame of the car seat again to provide even more extra security for the seat, so that it feels more comfortable and more secure. Lastly, we custom made our seat covers and sew them on the car seat so that it will be fitted perfect.
Result and analysis. So for our product, we compared between 3 different types of car seats, child car seats. So the first is our car seat, which is smart foldable car seat. The second one is normal baby car seat. We just label it as brand X, and the third one is another normal baby car seat branded as Y. So for 3 of these types of car seats, we made tests for the installation period. So we made four times testing for each car seat to measure the time taken to assemble each car seat. So on average, the time taken to set up for our normal smart foldable car seat is 15 seconds. The time taken to assemble normal baby car seat brand X is about 40 seconds, and the time taken for normal baby car seat brand Y is about 54 seconds. So the next one is based on table. From the test results between smart foldable car seat SFC and child safety car seats brand X and Y, smart foldable car seat saves more time with an average installation time value of 15 seconds compared to brand X with an average value of 40 seconds and brand Y of about 55 seconds. The SFC also does not use as much space for installation as brand X and Y. This is because brand X and brand Y should be removed from the car seats if adults want to use the passenger seat. In fact, the SFC can be stored back in the car seat if not used when disturbing the comfort of adults to use the car seat.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is HAFIZ Imran bin Ranti. My matrix number is 09DKM18F1082, and I'm the fourth presenter. So this is our picture of our prototype products. As we can see, these are the benefits of our products. It's easy to use. Why it's easy to use? Because it just built already inside the car seat. Secondly, we save space. We design it so that it saves space than a normal child car seat. And the last but not least, we save time. It is also save time because it takes seconds to assemble. Alright, so this is for the costing of our products. The first one, single car seat, RM50 ringgit. We bought it at the AKHIR workshop. And the second one, child seat belt. We bought it at online shopping. The third one, additional rod, and we bought at hardware. And the cushion foam we bought at online shopping. And the seat cover, we do it together at some cushion workshop around Hasil Gudang. And the sixth one, hollow iron, and the last one, glue, we bought it at hardware. And the total of the costing total for our product is 564 ringgit and 50 cents. The next one is engineering drawing. This one is the side view, and the second one is the front view, and the third one is from the top.
And the last one is the isometric view. As conclusion, this SFC is one of the products that has been innovated from passenger car seat and the baby child car seats. From the result of the analysis met, SFC managed to achieve the set objective. The main objective of the study is to be able to save space in the car. As a result of collecting data and information about this SFC product, this product successfully achieved the set target. For the reference, the John Wiley and Sons LTD 2000 Engineering Designs Method Search for Product Design, third edition, the Open University Milton Keynes UK, and the second one, Edison Wesley Longman Limited 1996, Introduction to 3D AutoCAD, British Library Catalogue in Publication Data. We got these two books at Library in Polytechnic, Ibrahim Sultan, and we did some research about our products in the website. The link are at the 3 and the 4. So this concludes our presentation. Thank you.
Cara untuk kembalikan kepada asal semula lebih simple. Jadi kursi ni memang sengaja bunyi, dia punya safety untuk menggantikan Carseat yang lebih inovatif lah. Jadi ni kita dah buka, terus letak dia di sini. Okay, jadi kita dah letak dia kat sini. Seperti ni ada sebahagian yang kita pasang kat sini. Dia berdua juga. Okay. So ni untuk keselamatan ni lah. Okay, dah siap. Dah. Kita dah pasang ni, jadi kita buka gaya untuk simpan balik. So, kita keluarkan kanan dan keluarkan kiri. Ya. Okay dah. So, kita angkat baby.